Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Shenseea recently announced that she is the newest brand ambassador for Rihanna's lingerie line Savage X Fenty. On Sunday, Shenseea gave fans on Instagram a sneak peek into the fashion brand's Fall 2020 collection, which is set to debut next month. The Ludi DJ is now the first dancehall artist to join the star-studded lineup of brand ambassadors, which includes the likes of Megan Thee Stallion, rapper Dreezy, Tanashi, JoJo, and others. Now onto the international scene, where former Disney star Zendaya made history by becoming the youngest woman to win Best Actress in a drama series at the Emmys. The 24-year-old copped the coveted prize for her portrayal of a teenage drug addict Rue in HBO's Euphoria. Zendaya also became the second black actress to win her Emmy category after Viola Davis made the breakthrough back in 2015 for her role in How to Get Away with Murder. Also among the big wins for the night, Regina King for Watchmen and Mrs. America's Uzo Aduba. Tyler Perry was also honored at the Emmys that was held on Sunday night. Perry was honored with the Governor's Award, which recognizes extraordinary accomplishment. In accepting the award, Perry gave an inspiring, heartfelt speech centered around a quilt his grandmother gave him at the age of 19.
This quilt was something that I didn't really care for. It had all these different colors and these different patches in it. When the dog got wet, I dried him off with it. Many years later, as I was walking past one of those fancy antique stores that I could finally go in and shop, I saw in the window a quilt that looked just like the one that she had given me. There was an attendant who walked up to me and said, "Let me tell you about this quilt. It was made by an African-American woman who was a former slave, and each patch in the quilt she had put in represented a part of her life." Here I was, a person who prides myself on celebrating our heritage, our culture, and I didn't even recognize the value in my grandmother's quilt. Now, whether we know it or not, we are all sewing our own quilts.
That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.